All right, how you guys doing? This is Jay from Life Forex Wellness. Today, I'm going to show you the balancing exercise. A lot of people say, I see walking like this, that valgus leg, legs collapsing inside. Why? Because that hip or ankle is not being supported. This is the very powerful exercise. I put this 50-pound band. Let's see how I can do with this one. But you can do all different bands, like 15 pounds, 5 pounds. Depends how strong you are or how weak you are. Let's say I'm working on my strength now. I'm already been balancing. So what I'm doing here, I'm very low away, like a level of my knee. So attach. If you don't know how attach, you just, let me show you on that one. So you go around, you see, and one tip is go inside, and that's it. And you just pull it. That's it. And it's going to be adjusted. Let's leave it right here because we're going to do our rotation exercise. Actually, you can use this for upper body too at the same time. So what we're doing here, we just step inside, and as you can see, the knee is pulling this way. And all you do, stop standing on one leg. You can hold the weights. And yeah, this is 50 pounds. This is pulling me so hard, so I'm kind of fighting. I can feel this in my hip. I can feel this in my knee. And like I said, you can start using upper bands with all different kind of holding, like a sword, rotation, all different exercise. You don't need to push hard because, like I said, we do rehab, and this is the case. And guess what? I'm really feel it. You can do kind of lean forward with this band. You see the band is supporting you. All kind of stuff. Whew, that 50-pound band is tough. It's already burning my hip and burning my ankle. Let me show you this way. Switch side, switch leg, of course, do both leg and see how you feel. But this is really powerful exercise to keep that balance and standing one leg exercise. Do that one and you should be fine.